Lambda 9.7 CS controls a broad range of common structural pests when applied correctly during routine service visits. Lambda 9.7 CS is effective against spiders, including common house spiders and some larger web builders, by contacting or deterring them from treated surfaces where they travel. It reliably controls multiple cockroach species when applied to cracks, crevices, and harborages because the microencapsulated formulation provides a persistent residual and transfers on surfaces to insects that walk over treated areas. The product also works on general nuisance insects such as ants, silverfish, centipedes, millipedes, and certain stored product pests when applications focus on entry points, baseboards, and voids where these pests forage. For best results, clean heavily soiled surfaces before treatment. Apply thin, even coatings rather than heavy beads, and avoid sprays into open food preparation areas. Microencapsulation helps reduce visible residue, but does not replace good site preparation. Schedule routine maintenance visits every 4 to 8 weeks depending on pest pressure and environmental conditions to maintain residual activity, and document site conditions and treatment locations so follow-up is consistent. When treating sensitive areas, follow label directions for spot treatment and use personal protective equipment appropriate to the task. Common mistakes include over-reliance on a single product, which speeds resistance development, so rotate treatments with products from different chemical classes and integrate non-chemical controls like sanitation and exclusion to keep effectiveness high. A second issue is poor placement, for example, treating low-activity areas while missing harborage sites, so always inspect for insect harborages, apply into cracks and voids, and treat perimeters and exterior entry points to intercept foraging pests. A third concern is failing to maintain records and follow-up, which leads to lapses in protection, so log application dates, material used, and observed pest activity, then schedule timely rechecks and adjust tactics based on monitoring. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a community discussion forum where we and other members share experiences about products like Lambda 9.7 CS. We help contractors find work by listing opportunities and allowing them to engage directly with homeowners and peers.